Jaysen Platinum, at WrestleRama, you showed who you are. A cheater who will use any advantage to win. When you brought a chain to the nightstick match. And then you claimed to go on vacation, only to take advantage of my absence and cost my Codename Omega the match. You are an evil that must be stopped, no matter the cost. You may think you've won, but as John Paul Jones once said, I have not yet begun to fight. We are declaring war on you, and we will be as General Sherman, and we will lay waste to everything in our path. Something that Chris O'Connor knows all too well. Something that you could have stopped, but you didn't. But my absence, it wasn't without gain. I've been here at the compound, bolstering our forces, making plans, and preparing a special surprise for you. But all in due time. Jaysen Platinum, this Sunday at Slam-A-Thon, you're gonna find out that all you've done is awaken a sleeping giant and filled him with terrible resolve. My Codename Omega has spoken.